Okay.
So today I would like to give a demo of performance testing and engineering. So I have before starting the actual demo part. So this is how the demo today I am going to cover the topics. So first I would like to start about introducing myself. So I'm a BTech graduate. I'm having total 10 plus years of experience into IT industry. I'm completely into performance testing and engineering. So I have worked on various companies like service based and product based organizations. So currently I'm working with one of the top MNC and a product based company. So I'm working as a lead there. So under me few people are working. So I'm good at different scripting languages also, like Java, C, and I have also implemented few plugins by myself, and the previous organizations are using those plugins. So I have received a few awards as well with that implementations. And apart from that, I have used multiple protocols in Java, in JMeter and LoadRunner as well. So coming to JMeter, Web HTTP, HTML, and Flex, Ajax to client web services are the LoadRunner protocols I used. JDBC, FTP, DNS, LDAP, Bolt connection. These are all the various different protocols that I have used in the JMeter. Okay, so apart from that, I know Neoload also. I have worked on Neoload tool as well. And Splunk, Wiley, Introscope, AWR, Dynatrace, App Dynamics, Perfmon, Grafana. All these are the various monitoring tools and technologies I know. And I am also good at different scripting languages apart from Java, VB script also. I have implemented few utilities using the Groovy and VB code. So I have involved on all the end-to-end performance testing lifecycle. Like I am effectively interacting with the clients, and I also effectively um, collect all the POC document preparation, NFRs, test plan, providing the work estimations. So I can say end-to-end performance testing lifecycle I have involved on. And apart from that, like I know the engineering part, like thread dump, heap dumps, garbage collections. So I have also having good knowledge on profiling tools like JVisual VM, JProfiler, and Eclipse Mat. So these are all the tools, technologies, and these are all various part about myself. Coming to my achievements, so I am a gold medalist in my BTech college days. I have received a gold medal from our honorable minister Sabita Indra Reddy, and I have also received multiple work excellence awards, silver awards for innovations and achievements. So this is about my achievements. So with my training, my aim of this training is completely to learn every student or every whoever interested to learn the course. So everyone should practice a real time. So instead of going with proxy, instead of taking other help of interview support, so with my training, everyone should able to practice, everyone should able to learn, and everyone should able to crack their interviews without any support. So that is my aim. So nowadays I hope you also know that offices are open and everyone is asking to come to office, right? So if we go to office means definitely we need to attend the interviews. So if you attend the first round of interview in virtual, they are expecting to come to office for second round or final round. So that is the reason. Not only that reason, if it is a virtual round also, please, my suggestion was try to attend the interviews directly, face the interview so that you will also get confidence. Please try to avoid proxies, interview supports. So that is my aim. So with my training, see, these are all the people got placed in multi MNCs companies. So they are cracked interview there by own. They have not at all taken any interview support or any proxies or anything. They are directly faced. Okay. Apart from these people, I have a lot of list of people I have not added because it the slide become lengthy. So recently also few people are placed in top MN. So this is my target and my aim. So anyone can take a training. Okay, like it is not a BTech or MCA, MS. So anyone is suggestible to take this performance testing training, and anyone would like to upgrade their skills, upgrade their skills, or they would like to moving from automation testing to manual, or any ETL tester to performance, or manual to performance. So this is the good suggestion I can say. So with this performance testing, it was very simple and easy. So I can say out of 100%, you will have only 5 to 10% of code is required. Apart from that, everything was very simple and very frequently used process only. Okay. So with my training, I will provide you 100% placement assurance. If you follow my training, if you follow whatever I teaches in the class, if you practice regularly, you come up with doubts and practices, then only you can able to get a job within 1 to 2 months. 1 month for training, and you have to put little more efforts. So if you follow day-to-day classes and come up with doubts and questions, then you can able to place within a month if you get a calls. That assurance I can give you. So how the demand in the market about the performance testing? So I can say out of 1,000 people, out of 1,000 positions, I can say only 500 people is available for performance testing. So remaining 500 positions was open. There is no employees as available for this performance testing. If you can take any automation testing or development, so if you have 1,000 positions, you have 1,000 openings. Okay. So but coming to performance testing, 1,000 openings, 500 employees. So you have to you have a chance to utilize that remaining 500 opportunities. Okay. So if you can take any service based companies, so for freshers it will be like 3.5 to 4.5 is the minimum package. 3 plus means 10 to 12 LPA. If it is a service based, if you go with product based, so the fresher package itself 4 to 5 LPA, and 3 plus years experience, you can earn up to 10 to 14 lakhs. So I hope you all received the content. If you are not received, I will also share the content of the course. Okay, so I hope you all are only taken for JMeter, right? So this is how my course content looks like. It is very in detail. It is starting with very scratch basic level. So let me take. This is the scratch from the basic. How the performance testing will start. What is the requirement? How the designing will happen? How the construction will happen? What is the STLC life cycle looks like? What are the things we need to collect? How to design the test plan, test strategy, everything. What is NFR document? What is waterfall model, V model? What is Agile, Jira board also I will cover. So every step by step, uh, after every class you can also go through this. What are the topics I am going to cover? What are the things are pending? Even architecture diagram also I will help you. I will set up it in your local machine. Okay, this is how this is only the scratch basics. That is I have named as a module 1. Coming to the actual JMeter course, once this module 1 was completed, module 2 means actual what is JMeter, how to install, what is the directory structure, what are the things, how to open the JMeter. After opening JMeter, what are the things you have? Every point to point I am going to talk. Okay, so all these things, each and every element I'm going to talk, and also I will teach you all the external tools. These are all the external tools. If the recording was not properly happening in the JMeter, then what are the external tools? How to record it? How to do the test data setup? How to install MySQL and all the things? Okay, and coming to module 3. So how the distribution testing will happen? What type of test we are going to design and run? Okay. And module 4, like after the test execution, how the reports, what are the things we are going to collect, and what are the servers and metrics, and what are the monitoring tools. Okay, so these are all the coming to profiling tools. These are I can say it is the engineering part. So here I'm going to cover about all the what is thread dump, heap dump, where we can see how to see garbage collection, how to identify the issues. So all the things I will cover it in the engineering part. So this is about my course content, whatever in day-to-day classes I'm going to talk about. So what are the tools you have to learn based on the experience? If you are a freshers, then you can learn any one tool. If it is a JMeter or load runner, compared to load runner, JMeter is having high demand in the market. So my suggestion was go with JMeter. If you have a 2 years of experience, then one tool is fine. My suggestion was JMeter. If you are if you are having 3+ years of experience, then definitely you have to learn two tools and any one APM tool, that is any Dynatrace or AppDynamics. Nowadays, compared to AppDynamics, everyone is go with Dynatrace and Grafana. So I will teach this Dynatrace and Grafana. So my exclusive features of my training will be like this. So if possible, I will also show you my office project. If it is not possible, I will give you one toughest demo project. So you have to work on that. Apart from JPEG stores and web tour, I will teach you this JPEG store and web tours. But whenever I am going to give you an assignment, at that time you have to use demo shop. Okay. So if you have any questions, doubts in the first 10 minutes, you can ask. So complete the class will be like 60 minutes, and even POC and FR also I will show you the real-time documents. I will also explain or teach the scripting in the simplified and easy format. So if required, I will set up the interview class also. So in the interview session also, you can ask your interview question. You have any doubts, I will also cover agile methods, competitor tool, everything, like whatever I have mentioned here, everything I'm going to teach. So I hope you know, right? So we have two types of testings, that is functional and non-functional. So coming to functional testing, again, this is two types: manual testing and automation testing. So manual testing, I hope everyone know, right? If you would like to buy any car, first of all, you have to see the manual things, right? Car is starting or not, right? So it is moving or not. Some basic functionality you are checking. Automation testing in the sense like that functionality should be proper way, right? If you are putting a clutch or if you are putting a brake, if you putting brake means it should stop, it should not move. So you have to check those things. So that is comes under automation testing. Our performance testing is comes into the non-functional testing. So I would like to tell you what is performance testing. Performance testing is something like we have to check how the performance of the application. For example, I am logging into the Flipkart. Okay, if I click on the Flipkart, how fast the page is opening, how fast the page is loading, how fast it is responding. If it is one user, how fast it is responding. Same time, Flipkart sale is going on. So one mobile sale is going on. At the time, lot of people is hitting that particular mobile multiple times, right? For example, 1,000 users or 10,000 users. So at that particular point of period of time, how the application will behave, we can call that as a performance testing. Okay. In real time, I will tell you, as I explained, right? Car, you can take car is a scenario. So how speed the car is moving, like in uh in 1 kilometer. So how much time it is taking to reach 1 kilometer or 100 kilometers? If two people are there in the car, how much time it is taking to reach the destination? Or if multiple, like 10 people in there in the car, so how fast the car is moving on? If you put a reverse gear, how fast it is moving back? Okay, so it is responding on time. So all these things you can check it in the performance testing. So to understand the performance testing, just I have explained a simple scenario. So in this performance testing, we can check the speed, how stability. Stability means 10 users in the car. So it is stable or any time changes will happening. Scalability means if we are trying to keeping some load or some heavy weights in the car, So how the performance? Okay, if we are doing a long drive, so how the, if it is the car is heating or any something is changing, so we need to observe all the changes. So we can call that as a performance testing. So my training activity will include, like, if everyone okay, I will conduct Monday to, I mean Sunday to Sunday, no break. If you want a break means we'll take break on Sunday. Monday to Saturday will be continued. If you have any doubts, first 5 to 10 minutes you can ask the doubts, but you cannot disturb the class while I am teaching. If whenever I am teaching, if you ask more doubts means I am unable to cover whatever I would like to cover, and other people also will disturb, and whoever already working, right, whoever interested to learn more depth content, so if they will ask more questions, whoever basic learners, they don't understand. So that is the reason I'm requesting you to just please listen the class. Once the class is completed, note your all doubts and I will clear all your doubts. If you feel shy or if you feel fear to ask any doubts in the class, you can call me personally also. I will respond. I'll answer all your questions. So practical sessions and document preparation, everything will be there. So my documents will be in depth way. So without videos also, you can able to learn the course. See, I have provided my documents in this format. So course content will be there here. And if you click on demo, whatever the demo class I have taken, the demo will be there in this demo folder. So whenever we start the basics, all the basics will be available in this document. And if you go to the module 1, all the module 1 and with real-time documents will be available. POC, NFR, test plan, all the things will be available in module 1. So coming to module 2, actual scripting part. So all the config elements, API testing, controllers, preprocessor, postprocessor, everything with the scripts, with the steps. For example, I am opening API. So if you open this API testing, see, with example sites, everything with differences, in-depth content I will. If you open any customizations, okay, this is how it will be. So by seeing these steps, you can easily understand. For example, correlation. So how to do correlation? What are the things we need to do? Okay, with a screenshot. If you see the screenshot, yes, this is how you can get the output. Steps, each and everything I prepared a document for. Okay, and coming to module T, test executions, these are all, like even I have covered workload model and pacing calculations as well. Okay, module 4 is for test executions and final report preparation, thread dumps, heap dumps, Grafana. So how to set up Grafana, how to configure, all the steps will be there in detail. Okay, so next. So demo projects also I have added here, and demo project setup also I have added. I will help you how to set up it. Interview questions. If you have any interview questions, you can also add it and post it here. I will respond. Previous students, whoever already practiced, so all their practices will be there in this each folder. You can also create it and add it. I will verify. And real-time projects also I have given here. Scripts and scenarios, all the real-time whatever I have worked. Okay, the same time softwares. So I will provide you all the softwares. No need to download or no need to install it from anywhere. So I will give you access. You can download it from this software folder and you can use it. So this is how the test data setup document will be. And user manual, how the JMeter will work. Everything will be there. So this much detail my training look like. So whoever completed the full-time payment, I will give you complete access so that you can able to see it and you can able to learn by yourself. So the video access also I will be provide once your payment will done. So these are all the tools I am going to teach you in as a part of JMeter training. So load runner training, I will teach you the load runner and other tools. But coming to JMeter training, JMeter external tools also I will cover. API testing, Postman also I will cover. JMeter, Git or Jenkins I will teach. Okay, load runner, these parts will come. Perfmon, Grafana and Dynatrace I will cover. So for Dynatrace nowadays, if it is a free for 10 days also, just a sec. Yeah. So server side monitoring tools. Dynatrace, which is a free 10 days is there. But for that, we need a company account to access the Dynatrace. That is the reason I will share you the videos for Dynatrace and Grafana with detailed step-by-step video I will provide. By seeing that, you can easily understand. And AWR reports also I will teach you. Test data setup, thread dump, heap dump, everything I am going to teach you in real time. So this is complete about my demo session. So if you have any questions, doubts, you can ask me now. I will stop the recording. You can ask all your questions, doubts, whatever you have.